hindi kayo mabitin or mapasaya kayo for tomorrow.
Welcome to Philippine Showbiz Updates.
Latest updates ang hatid sa iyo ng channel na ito. At kung mahilig ka sa mga ganitong kaganapan sa showbiz, ay maaari mong i-subscribe ang channel na ito para laging updated sa showbiz ganap.
Gusto mo din po yun, kaso nahulog ka.
Sabihin ko sa ikaw next.
Sa showtime.
Or showtime.
Ay, sige po. Susi pa, Choy.
Pero dito daw yung tali.
Kinakabanta po kayo.
Hindi naman. Ay, ikaw lang. Kasi Dan.
Pero, bakit ba ang galing nyo magpakinig?
Hindi naman pakilig, pero alam niyo naman sa isang serye o pelikula lagi may script na sinusundan.
BMC, I love you!
may mga sinusundan rin na directions from the director. So, sinusundan lang namin yung pace, tapos tinatry lang namin i-enhance. Like for example, with me and Kim for Linlang and Secretary Kim, may constant effort lagi to make the scene work.
And then po yung second question ko, ano po yung, what's that? Kasi pakibigay ko pa ako. Ano po ba nakaiba niya itong proyekto niyo sa mga iba niya po yung proyekto?
Ako parang sabi ko nga sa taas, nakasabi ko lang na parang, ano ba yan? Parang puro rom-com na yung ginagawa ko ngayon. Parang nakakapanibago. Tapos, sinabi ni Kim na,
Masyado na kasi siyang serious. It's about time, di ba? Parang bagay naman siya rom-com, di ba po?
Yeah!
Bagay!
Mas bagay ko.
iba-iba naman.
Mas bagay po kayo nung nakapit.
Take tayo.
Ano na ako magtato? Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Anong outfit?
Magaling kayo magpakilig sa tao. Hindi rin namin alam. Siguro sobrang galing lang talaga ng director namin. Tsaka naglalagay ng mga background music sa amin. And then, hindi namin alam kung bakit sinusupport na sa amin. Pero sobrang kaming thankful na nai-inspire namin sila and kinikilig sila sa amin dalawa. And maraming salamat din syempre na merong nabuong grupo na sumusuporta sa amin.
And to add to what Kim said, I think it's also yes, the constant effort on our part and maybe the willingness to collaborate with each other. Because I'll give an example. We did ASAP Milan last year, and no one knew about Linlang, no one knew about Sec Kim or anything yet. So parang lagi ko kausap si Kim. Parang may performance tayo. Parang paano natin papakita sa audience para abangan nila yung Linlang yun. Paglabas sa TV. So there was really an effort also on our part to really try and make it work, because I mean not every pair up is gifted with a gifted chemistry and on-screen chemistry. So I'm glad that I got to work with Kim, and she's very willing and open to collaborate and open for suggestions.
And for tomorrow, can you give us a sneak peek of what your fans can expect on stage sa Kalayaan 2024? Sayaw siya.
For tomorrow, I think we're doing I'm doing 3 songs and we're doing 2 duets.
That's good.
I don't think, well, maybe for the Kim Paos who have been following us.
I love you, Paolo!
I don't think they'll see anything new, because I only have a pool of songs that I can sing. As I always say, I'm always an actor first, and everything after that is a bonus. Unless they make me sing and act at the same time. But we'll try our best to para hindi kayo mabitin or mapasaya kayo for tomorrow. So
ako naman, yun nga, sabi ni Paolo, siguro they're gonna see me sing and dance and sing with Pao. And then call it chika-chika with the audience and everything. And then excited din kami to be with mga kababayan dito sa Dubai and makita namin sila and makapag-perform. Sana marami makapunta bukas. Sana nag-enjoy tayong lahat bukas.
Yung mahirap na kasi yung mga set of influencers natin na pan-tropico. Ito pwede silang sumabay lang naman sa'yo.
Tingnan natin.
Like, comment, and subscribe for more updates.